Y'all ready to build a bonfire? I got Big Blaze with me today.
Good morning, good morning.
We're gonna show y'all how we build a bonfire here in South Louisiana along the Mississippi River Levee. It's a tradition, we do this every year. Tell them, Blaze.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little work this morning. We're gonna cut a couple logs, you know.
Cut a log. And we're gonna pinch one off because we gotta make a turd this morning. So what I want to show y'all in this video is how we construct a bonfire. This is gonna be everything from cutting logs to hanging out on the levee, putting this thing together, and also I'm gonna put in this video lighting it. So we're gonna make one big video of the whole bonfire season pretty much. And unfortunately you're not gonna see this video until after Christmas, but it's just gonna be one big collage of the whole bonfire building process. And when I say bonfire, I'm talking about the structure that we build on the levee here on the Mississippi River in the River Parishes. We do this every year. It's a tradition. I've been building bonfires since I was as long as I can remember. We've been involved with the bonfire building process since I was a little boy. The tradition is that we light these bonfires on Christmas Eve so that Santa Claus, Papa Noel, can find his way to the River Parishes and give presents to all the little boys and girls, unless they've been bad. Then they get cold, they don't get presents. But that's what this tradition is. We light these bonfires on Christmas Eve every year, and that's supposed to show Papa Noel the way to our houses so he can come down our chimneys and give presents to everybody with the Christmas spirit. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. In years past, we've built different, more complex bonfires, but we're just going to do a traditional style bonfire this year. Our main thing is we like to hunt. So I got a group of guys that we enjoy hunting. Bonfire's kind of secondary to that. And now we all got kids, so we got a lot less time to build something on the levee. So we're going to do something that's a little bit simpler this year. A more traditional bonfire, and hopefully we can throw this thing together. That way we can enjoy our time, hanging out on top of the levee, cooking, bringing the kids, just enjoying it more so than working all the time, all the way up until Christmas. So with all that being said, y'all come along with us. We're gonna put a bonfire together. I usually drive my four-wheeler from the house over here, but it's too cold for all that. I ain't doing that. Not today. That Bruce Lee's truck right there. He's faking us out. He's over there somewhere, so we gotta go this way. Can hear him. What you doing, Blaze?
We're gonna fill up with a little gas and some oil.
Come on. I'll give it 2 cranks. Got it, boy! Woo! See a hole. Hi-yo, Silver! Way in there. You heard that? Oh, you got it here. How big of probably stuff about that diameter and smaller.
Y'all do like y'all boxing all out of oak?
Yeah, We do the whole thing out of oak. Yep. Trying not to rip my milk crate off. Are they running away from us? It's not like they further now than they were. They gonna think they got a big buck in here. They got scrapes everywhere. Hey! What other side? Y'all sounded a lot closer when I got in the woods. It's like, man, are they running away from us? Okay. I got to pee. Putting in some serious work already. Acting like we got a mini excavator right here, or a front end loader or something. That's all right. That's what Hondas were built for. Hey!
Dick in here, bro.
What's up, bro?
Dick.
I think a lot of this is natural though with the hurricanes and stuff. I don't, cause like we wouldn't have, like this right here, we didn't do that, you know.
There.
But I think over a year though, most of that done broke down. Oh, if you'd have seen what me and Blaze mowed through to even get close to y'all.
Oh, it's bad that way.
Yeah, it's thick.
Like little trees.
It's thick. It was like this in front of me. At least it's cool this morning, huh?
Yeah,
about time.
It's saying 70 degrees though.
Like normal, yeah.
Especially you saw always looks good.
Oh yeah, all the time. I see him. Huh? I see him. 3, 4. Oh, there's more than 4. Got a log cabin right here.
Turn around.
Yeah, back up right.
Get out the light. Back up to right here.
All right.
I got some more back there.
All right.
But you got it from here?
Yep. Good enough.
Let me get the fuck out of here somehow. I can't freaking go anymore. Yeah, I'll probably run dogs tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, sometime tomorrow.
Hey, it's Mook. I'm like, what, they got a deer over there? Oh man, what happened?
Take a video of that.
Trials and tribulations. But all these men, we should be able to carry them out by hand. That was from my
Glory days.
that was from my glory day. Then I was like, stop. And then they had sparks behind. I'm like, nah, keep going.
Straight through the chain.
Pah! Cut the chain in half on the asphalt.
That's how that log was heavy for the motor truck.
It did. It actually messed up the bed of my truck.
Yeah. This is how it's set up.
Hey, you guys. What's up, Mook? Man, what y'all just popping up? People just showing up out here in the woods?
Yeah. Let go of me. Right,
okay, you're safe now. It's a fine group of men we got here. All right. Is this everything?
No.
Got some more?
2 more in there.
Uh-oh, lost my logs. Had 4, I got 3 left.
That's like a good side puller right there.
I think so.
You know what I was just thinking, what happened if we just built another snowman? Oh.
No. How about no? How about we build something that anybody can come finish?
Well, no, we can.
Even though nobody's gonna help us?
That was the only bonfire that we did, and it was like super fast.
Yeah. Well, I thought the gingerbread house would be easy last year. And
Yeah, that was a fucking joke.
we didn't finish that, so.
How high was that one? 12?
10?
You go one more or you go
Let's
4?
4 seems to be about the
magic
the four-wheeler do more, but the logs start getting hung up and then they start slipping out. Getting a few logs. We usually use a trailer, but everything we're doing this year, we're gonna make this bonfire like 10 foot tall, so we don't need nothing super long. So most of the stuff's gonna fit back in Dylan's truck right here. It is. Let's do it.
Don't follow that.
Believe it or not, I've seen a lot worse. I'd like to get enough to where like we can make it look like we did a lot today.
But if you're saying, like, if we just, hey, revert, let's go snowman route, we don't need no straight poles. All you need is 8 foot wide, 8 foot long at the widest point, and let's just go 6 foot deep. Call it a day.
What, a
And
snowman?
make it 10, 8 foot
How you
tall.
do your curves?
You just make it black, go in and out.
All right, we're gonna load up the rest of these and we headed to the levee. Get out, I'm gonna take some little poles. We're gonna make a little bonfire for the kids, something that they can put together and they can tear it down and rebuild it and just do whatever they want. Drop the levee, headed to the bonfire spot. Bruce Lee's mapping it out. He got his sophisticated tape measure right there. I call that Levee breakfast right there. Look at that. Got eggs and deer back straps.
You got breakfast?
Come on.
I got breakfast.
He got breakfast with champions. All right, change of plans. We're not going to do a traditional bonfire because we can't help it. We always got to do something cool. So we're going to do something cool. We're going to make a snowman. Y'all stay tuned. Watch this. Kind of see right here, though, we follow. Starting to come in. We'll come in and we'll come out again. We'll come out for the head. And then kind of like that. Snowman, baby. Snowman.
You get a little clip on
Little button, yeah. Silver bullet. Oh, man. That looks pretty good, but look. That looks a lot better. That's what it's about right there. Trucks on the levee. Mud grippers. 4-wheel drive. Toyota with a Honda in the back. Been itching to get this out my yard. What we got right here? Steel Party?
Yeah. Sponsored by Steel.
This bonfire brought to you by Steel. Where we going?
Let's go back to the levee.
What you showing me over there?
The deer on that
How you say that? They won't know it's hunting season, but there'll be signs. There'll be signs.
Look at them trucks do work.
Back to the levee! Look at that. Got it filled up. We gotta go get some more wood from the woods. Gotta get this second level built. Get some more fill.
I don't feel like so.
Hopefully we get pretty far today.
I feel like the south side's where you need.
Well, I made a oopsie.
Actually, pretty good shoes.
I was coming down that levee. It's a steep decline, and that four-wheeler rolled forward just a little bit. That front bumper hit the glass. Fantastic.
You weren't drunk.
Yeah, I know. Huh? I ain't even gotta be drunk to do stupid stuff. Huh? Can still break stuff sober as a jaybird. Where you at? You on a levee?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what we building? What we building up here?
No,
A snowman? Yeah? Where's it
I
at?
want to see it.
Coming together, huh? Coming together. Says day one.
I want to see
Day one, we're moving right along.
I want
So
to
I'm gonna write you a ticket. So
Where's the bonfire, Dax?
right there.
Yeah. And what is that?
Snowman.
A snowman?
I want the shark stuff.
No. That's what it's all about right there, y'all. Bringing them kids, getting them kids involved. Check them out. Well, you got a big stick, huh? Yes, indeed. What you gonna do with it? What you said, boy?
Out.
You want to get out?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me help you out. Man, you heavy. What you been eating, dude? Hot dogs?
I know.
Let me see your face. Let me look at your face good. Well, you took a lick today at school, huh?
Yeah.
Damien went down the slide at school head first today. And he paid a good price for it. Little couillon.
you driving?
How you drive? You better hold on. Riggs is driving.
Uncle Ted.
Who that is? Who that is? That's Jungle Tate?
What up? What up? Nothing? You got nothing? What's up, y'all?
What's up, Tate?
Hiya.
I don't want you to bring your mud truck.
Oh, one day he gonna bring it on. Oh, be careful. Put that down, okay? Be careful with them sticks. I don't want y'all to poke each other's eyes out. 1, 2, 3, go! They beating you, babe. They beating you. Winner! Hey, come back up here! Come back up! Come to the top! Y'all don't need to go all the way to the bottom. If a car runs off the road, it's gonna run y'all over.
We won't. That was fun.
What you doing today?
Cutting wood for the fire.
Cool! We hit the mother load. Russian, say hello. Hey!
Why you took your four-wheeler?
Nobody was home.
Where y'all going?
Right, we're gonna follow that wood pile.
All right, let's go to the levee. Are you? What up, Candy Man?
Trying to get down. Don't go there.
Steve, where you at, Steve? Hello.
Ran out
Hey,
perfect.
buddy.
What y'all doing here? They got heat in here.
Man. That's what brought it.
She's coming right along. We got one more hump to go right here. Whoop. Make the top, put a hat on, and put some decorations on it. We getting there.
Wire
And
and a knife.
And a knife.
We found a knife
Where?
in that cabin.
Oh, man. All right, y'all sit down and hold on. Y'all gonna keep on riding?
Yeah. Deer.
Get down. You're biting. The big boy's got him right now, huh? What you got?
Hey, are you want us to flower?
I'll take your flower.
Damien!
Thank you.
I don't want it.
Reach out the mud. Moot, what you got,
man?
buddy? What's in the back of your truck?
Oh, a little 8-point.
What? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Look at that, boy. Congratulations, dude. The big Moot got him one, boy.
Spray that thing, man.
Now clean that damn deal, Mook. We got bonfire to build. This will be the second Friday that we work on it. Hopefully we can finish today, and then we ain't got to worry about it. We can get back to hunting and all that good stuff we like to do. I'll keep watching. Okay, little dude, I see you on the levee. Okay, the man got the hot race fuel. DP
That's all we run around
51.
High compression piston, cams,
Board over 50,000.
stroke. I don't think you can stroke a main piston.
And a Dewey Speed Shop spark plug.
Thanks, Dewey Speed Shop. Appreciate it. Get on, get on. Keep flashing that out on the work.
I like it.
You know, it looks to you. It looks straight now when you get it down and get about a bonfire.
Yeah. Who cut that one? Why y'all cut that? It looked perfect right here. Probably get this one right here.
We build bonfires. Barely.
Barely. Just a couple dudes out here in the woods bonding. I said, how many more logs we need? He said, we need another truckload. Truckload, yeah. Like a truckload. Yeah, I thought we almost finished.
Hiya!
Here they come. Like a blister.
Like a pussy. Guarantee this ain't enough.
What's that?
Huh?
GoPro. That's what I need. How much that cost?
Couple hundred.
Almost ate it. I was dragging that deer out and I tripped on something. I went down to my knees. I was like this deep.
You just went away with us?
It don't matter if you get wet whenever you kill them.
Yeah, I was
After
trying
that,
to get my
like I'll go head under.
Take all that stuff off, huh?
Shit, when I killed that one back to point, it was 37 degrees that morning. Walked out with just waders on, no t-shirt. Waders and orange.
Like,
We need to start with the heavy ones, I can tell you that. Watch out, Cannon. Ah! It started going and got heavy. Look what I found in my truck.
Yeah, I was looking at that thing the other day. I said I could have been splitting so much wood. We had perfect splitting wood up here.
But that went to the house to get an axe.
He's up here rubbing two sticks together, starting a fire.
I say we get 2 people up there, 2 people down here. So someone can hold it while we notch. Me and you. Bonfire brothers.
Yeah.
Sweet. Hey. Move. Give me a beer. Let's start loading this thing in here. Can I take one more hand and then up?
yeah.
Probably get one person on that boat.
Stand them up, look. Straight up. Hot as you. Keep going. Well, the pain better get 2 out of this anyway. Hey, don't do it. I'll fit that thing in. Unless you were running all the way this way first. Run it all the way this way then. Slide all with me. Take the good side first. About to right there. What do you think, Devin?
I like that. Yeah.
In one more or straight up one?
Oh,
Here and then out?
yeah.
So we're gonna make this one even with this one?
Yeah.
Watch out, you good? Hang on.
Go to the back. I don't know.
wasn't that bad.
Go a little bit more this way.
Go to you.
All right, now you should be able to get 2. Hey, go all the way. Try to use all of that.
If I could...
Coming together, y'all.
Horrible throw.
That's the back side, y'all. We don't put too much emphasis on the back. We're more worried about the front side. The front side, we're gonna put a hat. We'll put 2 eyeballs, a mouth, some big buttons, maybe like a curtain for a scarf. We're gonna put 2 big arms on it coming out the sides. 2 big branches we're gonna use. Little bonfire. Big bonfire.
Devin job? He looks like he's carpenter skill.
What you say here? What you got back here, man? Oh, look at that. Levee pork chop. Got some Levee sausage. Levee sausage and Levee pork chop.
Hot dog, pig, deer, dog, cow, horse, cat.
Whatever, all that. All that. What you doing, Damien? What you doing? What?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
A new era of chicken is here to stay, and it's not your parents' poultry. The
What?
Yeah, we got this one.
Oh.
Oh, we can put that in the fire.
No, we can't.
Come back up here, y'all.
Y'all never had hot tamales? This is a hot tamale. They're like the best candy in the world. No, that's just the name. I'm gonna take one.
Wait, those are those.
Everybody put it in their mouth really quick. All right, take a bite. And chew.
These are hot.
They're delicious.
Yeah.
This is
I
delicious
need
right now.
hot.
What?
I need to eat my hot.
They call that cinnamon. That's not hot.
I need to chew.
What?
Ah!
You ever had
What?
hot tamale?
it's empty. You need a juice? Let's go get a juice. 1, 2, 3, go.
And you follow. Go, Daniel.
Oh, wait up. Watch out for that car.
Who is that? Watch out for the truck.
Watch out, y'all.
Damien, slow down. Hit the grass, the other side. Hit the levee side.
I win! Yo, look at Frosty. Frosty's all finished, huh?
That's a toy gun.
It's just sitting up there, so be careful, okay?
I really wanted to get it down.
No, we'll leave that up there.
Please.
Hide and seek.
Yeah.
You want to take a picture right here in front of Frosty? Go stand in front of him.
I don't.
Yeah. Check him out, y'all. Frosty's all done. I didn't get to capture billing all of this. I was at work when they were messing with it, but he got buttons, he got a nose, he got some eyes, got a nice little hat and some arms, and they put a gun on him. And he's supposed to be hunting because Rudolph, the big red-nosed reindeer, is right down the road over there.
Why did they make
Let me get some videos of him too so y'all can see what that looks like. Big gun, huh? Bad boy. Oh. Living large on the levee. Bruh.
Can't survive on beer all the time.
What about
Sometimes you need a grapefruit.
What about grapefruit beer?
Mm-hmm.
That's a thing. Don't break it, yo.
Oh no, very good.
What up, dog?
Never thought I had a choice.
Hey, Steven, what's up, bro?
Crying in the afternoon.
You don't know nothing about Ford.
Muscadine? Look at that, y'all. There's Rudolph. You'll never see me, wrong brand. Think about Rudolph. Y'all like that?
Oh, you look like Sandy.
Hey, hello, y'all.
Hi, Tanya.
Y'all.
Let's go. Get on top. Right there. All right, y'all. Look at the tape. You want to point? Oh. Pointing off the tape.
Okay.
Point right there. Look at the tape. Look at the tape.
Got it.
And I wore it for about an hour. And it was like, I went to the bathroom or something, and for some reason, every time I go to the bathroom, the button comes apart on these certain pair of pants I got. And then I realized, I looked down and said, I got two freaking belts on. It's like, oh, goodness.
or visit betterhelp.com/pressplay for 10% off the first month.
That's peanut butter fudge. What you think? Kayla's first time making peanut butter fudge.
I use crunchy peanut butter for this peanut.
I don't know how she did it, but it's perfection.
You want to make a sign and you want to sell fudge?
You want a little bite of this?
We can sell fudge right here.
Oh man, Kayla, thank you so much.
It really is good. All goes to the side.
But you know what? It don't
This
go
peanut
good
butter
with beer,
fudge is brought to
so
you
I'm
by
not gonna drink a whole bunch.
Expedition do.
It goes good with wine. That's all I can tell you.
It goes good with wine.
Smacking good.
What you think about that peanut butter fudge your mama made?
What, you want me to hold it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
He sugar
That
out.
put Skittles out of business.
Some high chews.
Man, that's a gun. There's another one right there.
Hey,
Boom!
take it and put it in your man came out. Tell Bruce somebody stole it.
You can say, my daddy stole my book. It was right there. That's where they had it. But I
Yeah, he goes.
No, you can't do that.
Steven said, "Man, somebody left a big old gun on the levee. I took that home. Put that in my shed." Dax got him a little pet right there. He's feeding him. He's feeding him Fruit Loops. He's eating it. Look at this. Dax, you like a mouse whisperer. We gotta go find Uncle Steven. Uncle Steven's missing, y'all. We gotta go find him. He done drank 3 bottles of wine today. What y'all doing out there? Man, I'm about to call the law looking for you, man.
Where's the mouse at?
They got a mouse over there.
Where?
They let the mouse out the house. Check him out at night, y'all. Yeah, it looks good.
Golly, your camera is even better.
It illuminates it, huh?
For any job site overall. Right now, get 25% off select online storage and organization. Import, water-resistant totes, and shelving. Built to hold
Christmas Eve, y'all will be lighting this thing off at 7 o'clock. Frosty's about to melt. Little B got them. They got that butter.
What? I might have to see.
Bruce juice.
What up, McDonald?
What is that, man?
Slap that rice up in the jambalaya.
That's a jamba sauce pecan.
No, that's a jambalaya.
Oh, Paya comme ça. Ooh, look at that jambalaya ball on top of the levee. All them people rolling in. Here come the bars rolling in. Oh my God, is that Dewey Speed Shop? Cannon gotta go to work tonight. Cause he's the only one qualified. Where you at, dude? That's some good food.
It's hot. It's burning my mouth.
You need a water or juice? Okay.
For like an hour and a half.
What up, head? Is that a green head? Head.
If you didn't have that bucket down, I'd freaking jolt them through the steering wheel.
Man, that's a rough ride.
Hey, let's really do it.
Wait, you want to go?
What was it? What happened?
It tells you everything you need.
The snowman?
Merry Christmas, everybody. 2024 Bonfire. Frosty is melting. Look at that fire.
If y'all see that, that's what they call heat, flames, and extermination. It causes things to cook nicely.
Should I get an exterminator involved?
Yeah, you sell extermination. Fire the hole.
Casey, what are you doing? Wow!